Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on your Chevy Silverado. First, it's crucial to understand the common issues that trigger the warning light. Begin by checking for any diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. These codes often point directly to the problem. Next, visually inspect all 4 wheel speed sensors for any signs of damage or debris, as they are vital for the system's operation. A faulty steering wheel position sensor is another frequent culprit, so ensure it's properly calibrated and functioning. Don't overlook your braking system. Verify that brake fluid levels are adequate and that there are no pressure issues. Additionally, carefully inspect the wiring harnesses connected to the Stabilitrak system for any cuts, corrosion, or loose connections that could interrupt signals. If simpler fixes don't work, the electronic brake control module, or EBCOM, might be at fault. This often requires professional diagnosis. Sometimes, a simple system recalibration can resolve the issue, which can be done with specialized tools. For persistent or complex problems, it's always best to consult a certified mechanic who has the expertise and equipment to accurately diagnose and repair the Stabilitrak system. To prevent future Stabilitrak issues, always maintain proper tire pressure across all 4 tires, as uneven pressure can confuse the system. Regular vehicle servicing, including brake inspections and fluid checks, is also key to keeping everything running smoothly. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle is less likely to encounter these kinds of problems. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.